Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Giovanni Ginoes, and I'm a neurodisability physiotherapist and co-founder of PROBr, which is a research studies app, which makes it super easy for researchers to recruit participants and manage their research studies. So I'm going to be showing you guys a demo on how you can run a study and also recruit participants. And luckily, I have a shortcut. So this app is not available right now. We are relaunching in a couple of weeks. So we're going to make this light mode. So this is the feed of the web app, but we are going to go to studies. So basically, this is like your data center. This is where you can find only the active ones. This is where you can find the ones waiting approval. This is the ones that are in drafts, the ones that have been completed, and the ones that have been declined. So you have everything all there. We are going to go create a new study. So at the top right-hand corner where you see plus new study, is what you click on. You can find 5 different steps here, which help guide you through to creating your research study on the PROBr platform. So what happens is under that, you find where you can add a thumbnail. So this is what we always recommend, adding a photo, because it makes your study ad look more appealing. And then under that is where you have a study title. So we can call this study Prostate Cancer Screening Test Experimental Study. And under that, you'll see how it says how participants apply. I will be speeding a lot of parts in the video because this is just a quick demo, but if you guys do want a full demo, you can obviously reach out to me. We're going to select PROBr as the organization. So whenever you create a study, you do have to have an organization associated with it. So if you are affiliated with a university, a hospital, or if you are independent, you will have to ensure that that organization is registered on the platform. Speeding through this video again, I'm just filling in the fields that you would normally fill in order for participants to be able to identify what this study is about. This is research ethically approved. And just mind you that if you do check this, we will do a background check. And then you can add additional files. So this additional file, you can add in your PDF forms so that people can read through. Like for people who are trying to get research ethically approved, especially if they're using our digital software, they want to know how the study ad looks. So this is where you can download it. You can save this PDF and then you can give it to your research ethical board or IRB. If you're happy with how everything looks, you can submit the study. We're just going to go back to our study. So I'm going to save this as a draft. I'm going to click on this one, which is one of our old active studies. This is what it looks like when you submit a study and people are interacting with it. This is what you have, a dashboard, and you can find pending, approved, and withdrawn participants here. You can also see other things like the budget you set aside for this study and also the age range. And these are participants that have actually shown interest into the study. So you can find them here and they are de-identified. So now I'm going to show you what the participant side looks like. So this is what a typical study would look like on the PROBr platform. You can find everything about the study details. So this is what the participant would see. And if they are interested, then they can apply to the study. And then the information gets sent over to the researcher. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are relaunching the new version of the PROBr app in just a couple of weeks. We are super, super excited for this. For organizations who are interested in demoing more of the PROBr platform and how you can use this platform, please get in contact with me either by DM on LinkedIn or you can email us at info@probr.co. Thank you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye.